Photosynthesis is a process of plants and trees converting sunlight into chemical energy. Now, if only it were that simple. The process is actually quite complex, but this presentation should make photosynthesis a little easier to understand. Firstly, to explain this process, we need to plant a seedling or plant in the soil. We need to give it some water, some sunlight, and some carbon dioxide. With all of these, we should be able to grow a plant successfully. These components require a correlation with each other to create more oxygen, to rid the atmosphere of unhealthy carbon dioxide particles, and to sustain the plant's and the atmosphere's overall health. Photosynthesis begins with leaves absorbing sunlight through the chlorophyll component. This chlorophyll is what gives leaves their green colour. The light energy absorbed by the leaves is then transferred to the chloroplast, which is where the conversion to glucose and starch happens, or also known as photosynthesis. The chloroplasts are located within the plant cells, along with other organelles. Also required for photosynthesis is the carbon dioxide that is consumed by the stomata in the leaves. Stomata are tiny holes on the undersurface of a leaf that brings in carbon dioxide, and the stomata also releases oxygen. It is kind of like a life balance. As we humans exhale carbon dioxide and inhale oxygen, plants inhale carbon dioxide and exhale oxygen. This is why plants are a necessity to the life of all organisms on the planet, and that includes you and I. Another component for a successful photosynthetic process is that of water. Water plays an important part in nurturing the plant and substantiating photosynthesis. The water helps provide glucose for the transformation of light energy into chemical energy. If there isn't enough water, the stomata close in order to conserve the plant's water. This then reduces the supply of carbon dioxide available to the plant, consequently limiting photosynthesis. Now you might be asking yourself, why is photosynthesis important? And as students, you know lecturers love it when you ask questions. Photosynthesis is the reason we live. If we didn't have healthy air to breathe and live in, the human life and all other living organisms would perish, except for some chemostatic bacteria that doesn't depend on light energy to survive like we do. The carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is at an all-time high. This means we don't have enough leaves to counteract the carbon dioxide with oxygen. Taking care of our plants and planting more of them can help us sustain our planet for longer.